Audio description, AD, also known as described video, narrates visual elements in TV shows and movies for viewers who are blind or visually impaired. This secondary audio track provides concise narration during pauses in dialogue, describing actions, characters' appearances, settings, and on-screen text. For Rogers Ignite in Canada, to turn AD on or off, first, press the Settings button on your Ignite remote. Second, navigate to the Audio section. Third, select Audio Description to toggle it on or off. For voice control, use the Ignite voice remote by saying, "Ignite, turn on described video" into the microphone. This works with HDMI-connected TVs and the Ignite app. The Settings menu will display audio options, where you can navigate to Audio and select Audio Description to toggle it on or off. For Xfinity in the US, to turn AD on or off, use the Xfinity voice remote and say "Turn on Audio Description." Alternatively, press the A button to access the Accessibility menu, then select Audio Description. For app control, AD settings can also be adjusted per channel in the Xfinity app under Settings Accessibility. The Settings menu will show options including Accessibility Settings, where you can access audio description controls. Both Rogers Ignite and Xfinity systems ensure the primary audio is not overridden unless AD is specifically selected, giving users full control. This feature is increasingly available due to accessibility regulations, such as updates to the Americans with Disabilities Act in 2024 and Canada's Accessibility Act amendments in 2025. Rogers Ignite supports audio description on major channels like CBC, CTV, and Netflix. Compatibility requires a supported TV or receiver, and older models might need firmware updates. Currently, about 70% of on-demand library titles offer AD. Xfinity provides audio description on over 200 channels, including ESPN, CNN, and Disney+. The Flex streaming box automatically detects AD availability and offers it as a default option. Through partnership with Netflix, AD can be toggled seamlessly on Netflix content via the Xfinity app. If AD isn't working, 1. Ensure correct audio settings are selected. If AD isn't working, 2. Verify your device supports ad. If AD isn't working, 3. Confirm the program offers an ad track. If AD isn't working, 4. Check for firmware updates on older devices. If AD isn't working, AI-Enhanced AD provides on-the-fly descriptions. If AD isn't working, ad available via App Smart TVS phone's voice assistants. If AD isn't working, Universal 8 embeds descriptions in video files.